This is how the story begins. In a dark, dark town, there was a dark, dark street. In the dark, dark street, there was a dark, dark house. In the dark, dark house, there were dark, dark stairs. Down the dark, dark stairs, there was a dark, dark cellar. And in the dark, dark cellar, some skeletons lived. There was a big skeleton, a little skeleton, and a dog skeleton. Woof! In the dark, dark cellar of a dark, dark house, 3 skeletons are fast asleep when... Who's there? It's an envelope.
What's in it?
Open it and find out.
Good idea. 2 tickets.
For a ride on the ghost train.
Ghost train? How can there be a ghost train when there's no such thing as ghosts?
You mean you don't believe in ghosts?
Of course not. Do you?
Yes.
And do you, dog?
Woof. Let's go and ride on the ghost train. You'll see. Listen. Look.
Look at what?
The ghost train. Tickets, please.
I see the train, but I don't see any ghosts. All aboard!
Big, big, look. Ghosts. See? What did I tell you?
Ghosts? Where?
There.
Come on, little. Our seats are down here.
Big, look. A ghost.
I don't see a ghost.
Big, look.
Little, there are no such thing as ghosts.
That's what you think.
It doesn't matter, little. I'm having fun anyway. Not much of a ghost train, is it, dog? Woo! Woof, woof, woof! Oh, I see a ghost. I thought you were a ghost.
And you were scared, weren't you?
Me? Scared of a ghost? Never. I wouldn't be scared if I saw a whole town full of ghosts. We're here. Where's here? Luke. Ghosts?
Come on, Big. There's nothing to be scared of. Come on, let's have some fun.
All aboard!
Time to go.
Oh no.
From Ghost Town by the sea, into the dark, dark night, over the dark, dark hill, through the dark, dark town, into the dark, dark station. 3 tired skeletons leave the ghost train.
That was fun.
Off! Good. We'll do it again sometime. So, in a dark, dark town, everybody is going off home to sleep. Or are they?
Would you like a ride? Woo! Woo!